Criminal defense solicitors versus legal aid lawyers. Which one is better for serious charges? Most people get this wrong by thinking that any lawyer is enough when facing serious criminal charges. The surprising truth is that the type of lawyer you choose can drastically affect your defense, potential sentencing, and long-term consequences. Criminal defense solicitors are specialized legal professionals who focus solely on defending individuals accused of crimes. They have deep experience in criminal law, courtroom procedure, and negotiation strategies. For instance, if someone is facing fraud or assault charges, a criminal defense solicitor can review evidence, interview witnesses, challenge procedural errors, and construct a strong defense strategy tailored to the case. Their expertise often makes the difference between a reduced sentence, acquittal, or a plea deal. Legal aid lawyers, on the other hand, provide government-funded legal support to those who cannot afford private representation. While they are qualified and competent, their resources can be limited and they often manage high caseloads. This may reduce the amount of time and attention they can devote to complex cases. For example, in serious drug or white-collar crime cases, a legal aid lawyer may not have the capacity to conduct extensive investigations or hire expert witnesses. So, which is better for serious charges? If the stakes are high, think long-term imprisonment, substantial fines, or complex evidence, a criminal defense solicitor is usually the best choice because of their focused expertise and ability to dedicate time and resources to your case. Legal aid lawyers are excellent for ensuring access to justice, but may not provide the same depth of strategic support in high-risk cases. The key takeaway is that serious criminal charges demand careful consideration of legal representation. The surprising truth is that investing in a specialized criminal defense solicitor early can significantly influence outcomes, protect your rights, and potentially reduce legal consequences. Choosing the right lawyer is not just about cost, it's about safeguarding your future.